How do? Fucking mental. Whoever's been following me. Cut. How do? For anyone who's been following, you know I've been having trouble with the water pump on the toilet. SFM Caravans, I got the toilet from. I gave them a ring last Thursday, and anyway, they said they were going to send me one out. I didn't hold my breath. It come, brand new. A brand new pump for the cassette toilet. So I am going to fit that today. Right, let's get on with it. Apparently, when they were on the phone, they said that these old ones are now obsolete. But she also said that the bracket is different to something. Personally, apart from the, I don't think there's any difference. No, I can't see any difference. Looks like the screw holes in the same place, so I think it's just gonna be a straight fit. Right, yeah, just thought I'd show you. Well, I'm sorry about that, I forgot to film. Oh, God, it's tight in here. All I've basically done, there's a blue and brown wire there that goes into your toilet. There are blue and brown in here, obviously crimped them together. The pack actually come with this each thing, but I've also got two underneath as well. Yeah, if you look, hang on, I'll see if I can get light on. There. If you look there, stay there, yeah. Okay. That's, there is a screw hole, which, needless to say, the screw obviously goes through there, through this. That corner piece there is the corner there. Yeah, I've actually kept the screw. So basically, you just put it in, screw it down. That's it. That's all you need to do. I know it's only a short video, but just in case anybody's never seen one of these or whatever. Yeah, so, oh yeah, obviously, stay, you bastard. This pipe here goes on there. It's that simple. That simple. Right, well, there it is. All done. Only thing we've got to do is put on the blinds. Well, when I get some. Yeah. I'll tell you what I did forget to do though. I forgot to put drain in. Not that it matters, but anyway. Yeah, all working, all good. Blah de blah de blah. Yeah. I ain't put any pink in. Good reason for that. Hold on. Got some blue though. Right. All done.